Hey everyone, TTT here. First off, let's check in here because I've noticed something quite strange. There's not actually really a lot of space left for the new lessons. I would have assumed that the other remaining 4 on this side would also be bonus lessons, but we don't have anything left for regular lessons otherwise. No tables here. Which is strange because she did tell us that there would be more, so let's see. Lesson 27. Only 6 this time. Would have been fine to add more, especially since this is the first one for this phase. Weak, Yowa for Konyomi and Shaku for Onyomi, written with 10 strokes. The shape of Yowa contains the kanji hane for feather. You can imagine that birds who drop their feathers become weak. Strong, Tsuyo or Shi for Konyomi and Kyo or Go for Onyomi, written with 11 strokes. The shape of Tsuyo contains the kanji Yumi for a bow used in archery. You can imagine a strong arm drawing a bowstring. I don't think we had that kanji yet. Or did we have bow yet? I don't recall having that in one of these lessons.
Katana.
Sword, Katana for Konyomi and To for Onyomi, written with 2 strokes. The shape of Katana makes it easy to imagine a blade. That is a butcher's knife, not a blade. Well, I suppose it does have a blade, but that's not a sword. Ah, there's the bow.
Yumi.
Bow or archery, Yumi for Konyomi and Kyu for Onyomi, written with 3 strokes. With a bit of imagination, the shape of Yumi becomes a long bow.
Hi.
Pull or draw back, Hi for Konyomi and In for Onyomi, written with 4 strokes. The shape of Hi contains the kanji Yumi for bow. It's easy to imagine a person pulling or drawing a bowstring. And the last one for this lesson.
A.
Hit or this. A for Konyomi and To for Onyomi, written with 6 strokes. You can imagine To as an arrow hitting a target. And that's it for this lesson. Now, let's do the quiz. English meaning of in. Pull or draw back. Onyomi reading of strong. Kyo and go. Kunyomi of bow. Yumi. English meaning of katana. Sword. Kanji for hit or this. To. Kanji for weak. Yowa. And that's the quiz. Let's see what happens now. So, now that we're here, we need to work out how we're going to visit all of the shrines. I feel like we should have thought this through in advance. Hang on, didn't Shiro mention that a prayer would need to be made at every shrine simultaneously? Yeah, that's right. Well, with the number of people we have here, that might be impossible. Hold on a second. Look at what happened to our town when we came here. Because we all prayed together at the same shrine, town around us was transported as well. Maybe we don't need to hit every shrine at the same time. As long as we all pray together at each shrine, our prayers should be strong enough to restore what was taken from Japan, even if it is just piece by piece. It could work. Perhaps we could try it. If this Obake world really is a mirror image of our own, there should be another shrine close by. I'd say it's past that forest over there. Yeah, okay, it's worth a go. Not the exact idea I had in mind, but we really don't have much choice. Okay, we'll go and find the shrine beyond the forest. Alright, let us go. Oh. Obake no Mori. Was this one here before? Yumi? Bo?
Yumi.
Oh, no, wait. That was the wrong one. I misclicked. That one. And weak Yoa.
Jack.
Should remember to start from the top. Which I usually do, but not this time for some reason. Okay, Yoa, weak,
Yowa.
and 2 times Yumi for bow.
Yumi. Yumi.
Ah, these battles are so easy again. It's honestly kinda strange. The difficulty curve is more like a difficulty wave at this point. In, pull,
In.
and Tsuyo strong.
She.
The amount of enemies has decreased as well, which makes sense because we don't actually have a lot of kanji to use. And even then, we're hitting the same ones in a single battle.
He.
Pull. And to. Hit. What's
To.
this? Well, I'm not gonna say no to some easy battles. Tsuyo, strong,
Tsuyo.
and he pull.
He.
They don't exactly give a lot of XP though, which is somewhat unfortunate. But the levels don't do a lot anyway. Bow archery, Yumi,
Yumi.
to, hit,
To.
in, pull,
He.
You can't actually walk through this one. That's kinda strange. Ah, the halberd is probably for Wei, isn't it? Yes, it is. Ramanui and there's already the boss. To, hit,
To.
Tsuyo, strong.
Go.
Yumi, bow.
Q.
And Yoa, weak.
Jack.
Here it is. This little town outside the forest has its own shrine. If our theories are correct, making a prayer here at this shrine should transport this town back to Japan. Correct. Well, here's hoping. It's time. You all remember how to make the prayer? Yeah, no problem. This'll be a piece of cake. Good. Then let's all do this together. Close your eyes. Something definitely happened. Ah, open your eyes everyone, look around. The town, it's gone. Does that mean we did it? Yes, it really worked. It would seem so. So the town should be back in Japan now. Good. Now all we need to do is continue finding shrines around Japan. We'll restore the country in no time. Well, there's probably hundreds of shrines around, and this won't be easy. If we had a quicker method, it would be better, but until we figure something out, this is what we'll have to do. For now, let's return to our own town and rest up. Let's take a look. Okay, where's lesson number 27? Do we have to upgrade the shrine to see those? Let's see, do we have enough orbs for that? Should. Wait, we can upgrade again? Ah, yeah, okay. Now they're here. Let's see what those temporary blessings do. Good day. If you require a blessing, please don't hesitate to ask. A blessing provides your party with a temporary boost to your combat stats. A small blessing increases your stats by 50%. It stays in effect until the end of the battle. Just one battle? That's kinda weak. You want to study together today? It could be a good chance for us to get to know each other. Sure. How are your studies going? I think I've got the hang of this kanji stuff so far. It's not too difficult when you put your mind to it. Though, to be fair, I'm no stranger to studying. I've spent the last 4 years of my life completing my degree. After spending so much time focusing on economics, kanji is a piece of cake. Not a finished college, I'm not actually sure what to do. I kinda came to Japan to escape for a little bit, to put the future out of my mind for a little while. But one day I'll need to return to Canada, and I'll have to decide what to do with my life. I know I should follow along the path I've already chosen and use my new degree. But I'm uncertain. I don't want to choose a profession that I'll end up regretting. What should I do? Your bond with Ray has grown stronger. We can upgrade the shrine once again, but that's really expensive. I don't think we have enough jewel orbs. Yeah, not even remotely, we have just 10 of those. I think there would be quite a bit of grinding involved in upgrading every building in the town. Well, anyway, that's it for this time, and see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye!